My name's Troy Duell. I'm the CEO of Centurion Labs, LLC.
My name is Noah Whitaker, and I'm the COO at Centurion Labs. At Centurion Labs, we develop safe, effective, and affordable healthcare products made in the USA to elevate a person's health and life.
To continue the legacy of my company and what inspired me to do that, I think really it hinges on our mission as a company, and that is leading to make life better. And we lead to make life better by providing those products that we talked about to really help elevate people's health and life. Some challenges we had in the business prior to Cogent coming in, I think, was making sure that on the executive level we were on the same plane and same vision. You know, I had a vision of where the company needed to be, and I think it was clear for me, but it wasn't necessarily clear for my COO. So having Cogent come in really helped solidify that piece and get us on the same page to start moving forward. My initial contact with Cogent was actually a phone call from Kevin, who was our analyst who came in and said he was going to be in the area. And I was initially reluctant, but he was calling from a referral of a friend of mine who had used Cogent in the past, and he talked very glowingly about Cogent and really convinced me that it was something that would be worthwhile to sit down and have the analysts come in and take a peek at our business. Kevin was one of the most thorough individuals that we've probably dealt with, and he was a real pleasure to come in. Kevin went above and beyond in spending time and trying to find and assess where we might need or have some holes that we need to fill, and really kind of wrapping it around infrastructure as being one of the big things that we needed to put in place to grow as a company. And what I've seen, not only with Kevin, but with Billy and everybody else that seems to be a part of the Cogent team, is their dedication to making sure that they're bringing a quality product and quality service.
Billy was such a joy to work with. He has taught me so many things and challenged me to grow in so many different ways. And as he told me from the very beginning, he was going to give me an MBA in 6 weeks, and I feel like he's come close to doing that. Billy has given us a lot of management tools. One of the ones I like the best is the quarterly reporting system that he has allowed us to look into and help each one of our employees with.
What I loved about working with Billy was his true dedication to our vision and trying to help piece those things together. And you could tell by the time that you spent with Billy that he really wanted to see Centurion succeed and help put those things in place to help grow not just Centurion, but I think Billy spent the time pouring into Noah and our COO and was always gracious in giving feedback to either myself or Noah in any meetings or anything that we had that I think helped elevate our game to the next level.
One of the ways that I've developed as a leader is by more thinking as a leader. My mindset has totally changed in this process, and I'm now growing in ways that I never have before. The biggest takeaway was that every single one of us needs coaching in so many different areas, and we can only get so far when we're doing things on our own. Our employees have been so excited to see that we have a clear vision and we're taking clear steps towards that vision.
Probably some of the biggest changes we've seen in our organization because of the Cogent process, I think really ties back into one of our core values, which is take ownership. And Billy coming in and helping us do some of that allowed us to push down the ownership to some of our sales reps, to our regional managers, to our COO, and even to myself, where we're understanding that we don't have to take on everything, but if everybody takes ownership of their piece, then we'll be much more successful and have a better chance at reaching the vision that we've placed for Centurion than we would have without it.
I would absolutely recommend the Cogent experience to another business. Cogent has helped us clearly see what our vision is and how to get there, and I feel like without the Cogent team, it would take us so much longer to reach that vision, and we would have so much more heartache along the way.
I would absolutely recommend Cogent and the experience to anybody who's looking to grow as a company. If you've got a vision and maybe you have begun to stall in your vision, or you're looking to get an outside perspective on your business and where you want to go, I think Cogent is a great resource to do that. Now, I would definitely say you need to be committed to the process, and you need to be committed to putting in the time, because if you don't, I feel like it can be a big waste of time and a waste of finances. But if you're committed to growing and you're committed to your vision, I think Cogent is a great way to go.